Alright, you know what we're fixing today?
Filming?
Nope, we're replacing the
Daddy, stop
Spur gear.
You are filming.
Well, yeah, I am filming.
Daddy,
But
make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
say it again.
Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe.
Alright. So that's Camden, he's got that in. Cassidy, what are we going to do to your RC car?
Drive it.
Besides that?
Lift it up and then make sure it's not broken and
Well,
make sure the speed is okay.
Our next project is we're going to run the nickel in your RC car. We have to wire that in to her RC car. But we got Camden's charging. We only brought one remote today. But we're going to fix the Rustler with the new pinion gear or new spur gear. So I'm going to replace this. I'll show a couple videos while doing it. We have to remove this cover. So that comes off. Oh, that's shaky. Woo, trying to autofocus. So we had to remove this, remove the cover, and then we'll show the gear. Alright, so we've got the cover off.
Make
and
sure
you can,
to subscribe to Unspeakable.
You don't have to say it every time we turn the camera on. But here's the gears. Completely flat. Destroyed. So we're going to replace that. We've had to take that cover off, that bolt, and that bolt. So we've gotten it apart and had to disconnect the drive shaft from this part of the pinion gear and had to take the rear chassis off, the rear part of the suspension. So really it's just the top two bolts of the suspension and underneath to the chassis, and then it just slid right out. But you can see how there's no teeth left except for right here. So we're going to replace that. Alright, so we replaced it, and there's these little tiny clutches in here.
Who are you talking to?
YouTubers. So I had to take it out. So remember what order you take everything out in and how far your threads are down.
And how
Because I had to adjust your slipper clutch. So I replaced all these, but you could see.
Are you trying to be a YouTuber?
All the teeth that were there.
And they fell out. So
gonna put it back in. So this will go back in first, then that body will slip back on and it'll attach back to that differential. Let's see how it goes back.